Okay guys, my market is almost done. Look how much juice. Oh, that is delicious. Beautiful. In the tray, like that. Guys, my beautiful croissant, they ready. Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something different. I have some croissant left over and I don't want a bean. And I'm gonna fill them with some Lamb Merguez sausages, some cheese, capers, parsley, a little touch of garlic. You can have like it for breakfast or for brunch, you know? Easy to make, very easy and quickly, super quickly. The oven, I'm already preheat the grill because I'm gonna to melt the cheese. My pan is already on. What we're gonna do, guys? Take your Lamb Merguez and chop it in small pieces like that. You see? Like this. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. I think it's enough, just to be. I want more, you know, it's better more than less. What we're gonna do, guys? This we're gonna just pan fry. Some olive oil, not too much because the sausages have fat inside a little bit, and inside not too much salt and pepper because the sausage is already have inside. Take your garlic, if you like, I recommend you, it's good, and chop it very small and put it. Six minutes, 7 minutes. When this is ready, I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, my market is almost done. Look how much juice. Oh, that is delicious. Now leave there that we chop our parsley. Not really fine, because in the Merguez sausages there is coriander, and with parsley they're gonna have this refreshing stuff, okay? Turn it off. Take your parsley, put it on. And some capers, if you like. I didn't add any salt, you know? And now, just mix a little bit. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. And now, this pan we leave here. Put again the gas on. The sausage we put on the side, and now we're gonna cut the croissant, okay? Take your croissant, this is from couple days. Put it aside, and you're gonna cut something like that, okay? Now, down, in the same pan, a couple minutes. We're gonna wait to caramelize a little bit this one. Guys, lid, done. The same stuff do with the lids, you know. And what we're gonna do now? Take your finger and open. With your finger, you know, you do like a little pocket here, you see? Like this. Be gentle. Show me yeah, this is done as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I prep already the tray because I wanna put this in the oven just to grill and melt the cheese. Okay. We fill up the croissant. Just easy. Like this. This job is done, guys. Beautiful. In the tray, like that. Now, take your cheese, just put it on the top. Easy, guys. We are not master chef, but we cook always good for family. Yeah, I think it's done. Guys, now this going in the oven grill. I don't know, gonna take 1 minute, 2 minutes, just I show you, okay? Guys, my beautiful croissant, they ready. Oh, they so nice. What we gonna do, if you like, but I recommend you, a little touch of black pepper. Don't forget to put your lid on. 2. Guys, your breakfast or your brunch or your snack is this. Absolutely stunning. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.